How to add stickers on Instagram stories and reels. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add stickers on Instagram stories to make your content pop and stand out. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your story and add the story from here. Now once you add it, let's say you want to add a sticker. Now from here, tap on this sticker icon right here. Now from here you can add stickers, various stickers you will be getting right here. Let's say you want to add this one. Tap on it and adjust it like this by dragging it wherever you want. You can pinch to resize and place it where it looks best. I guess it will look best right here. You can also add multiple stickers by repeating the same process. And from here, add it whichever you want, like this. You can also mention someone from here. You can just add this poll. You can add a link to it. You can do many more from here. And that's it. That's how you add stickers to Instagram stories and make it more fun and creative. And if this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.